Timing your facial hair on the go can be tricky when bulky plastic comes break in your pocket or lack the control you need. You can also use this comb as a hair comb and it will be as useful as you think. I just got to check out this tactical folding wooden beard comb from Amazon and it's rugged, ultra functional, EDC essential for men. Craft with a smooth wood teeth housed in a heavy-duty metal tactical body, it features a secure locking mechanism and a sturdy pocket clip that anchors easily to your jeans, belt, or everyday carry gear. Lightweight at just 0.12 pounds, it glides through facial hair and hairstyle as well, like I said before, to detangle, smooth, and evenly distribute oils without snagging or causing static. Built for active lifestyles, camping, or daily travel, it is the ultimate compact grooming tool for keeping your mustache, beard, or hair looking sharp anywhere.